Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video I will be showing you how to log into KUCCPS student portal. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with. Here I'm going with Google Chrome, and on the search URL, type in kuccps.net. Once you press enter on your keyboard, that will land you on the official page of KUCCPS. Now, in order to log into your account, first of all, you have to click on the student portals icon that you will get to see at the upper right corner. And now from here again, click on the login option that you will get at the upper right corner as well. You will land on student login page. Now here at the right side of your screen, you will see KCSE index number. So type in your index number, and after that type in your KCSE year, and under KCSE year you have to type in your password, and under that you will get an information that says use your birth certificate number or KCPE index number as used in KCSE exam registration as your initial password. So go with that and type in your password. Once you're done with that, click on login, and after that you will be logged into your student portal account. So that's how you can log into KUCCPS student portal. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.